Hi there, Tansy here. So let's make that bracelet. Alright, so you'll need buttons and you can get as many buttons as you want, and thinner yarn, and make sure that yarn can go through the buttons holes, and a hook thin enough to go through the buttonholes and to be able to grab the yarn at the same time. Alright, so let's get started. We'll start with chain, and we'll chain about 20, and that will be the part that's going to go around the wrist. And you can make it, of course, longer and shorter. And we start with a slip knot, and we'll chain 20. Once you reach the desired length, you grab your first button and go through any of the holes. Grab your yarn and pull it through the holes. I pulled my yarn through the buttonhole. I'll yarn over and pull through both of the loops that are on my hook. Chain one, so that chain one will help me get to the second buttonhole, and then I'll grab my working yarn through the second buttonhole, and I'll lock that with a single crochet there, or a chain. So now I have to move to the second button, and I'll go with chain two. So chain two, and then you'll be able to go into the second buttonhole. And pull through the holes, chain one, and now go into the next buttonhole. And then chain two, so we can move to the next button. And then we keep repeating the same thing. So here we are at the last button. We'll do the last hole. And now we'll crochet 20 stitches, like we did at the beginning. Alright, so now we are ready to start with the second strap. We will do exactly the same thing on the other side. So we'll start with a chain 20. And when they match, or you can make them longer than 20, we will start crocheting through the holes on the other side of the buttons. We'll start from the most right buttonhole, do a single crochet here, chain one, and another single crochet through the next hole. Chain two, and then we move to the next button. Single crochet into that first buttonhole. Alright, that looks like a good length to me. And there it is. You can make them in any color, you can change the buttons, you can change the number of the buttons. Let's trim those ends. Here it is. So pretty. I got a jar of buttons from Walmart, so you can go any sizes. They even have little flowers, so, or you can use any old buttons you have. But isn't that pretty? And you can make them any colors you want, any numbers of buttons, any size, and the length of the sides. Okay, I hope you like this little bracelet and you give this tutorial a chance. Make bracelets, give them as gifts, or even sell your bracelets that you make at markets and fairs. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you press the thumbs up button and you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. This helps keep my content free and all these tutorials and patterns free for everyone to use. I hope I catch you in the next one.